Today I'm excited to share with you the process of creating a wood stove using only a simple cardboard box. It's quite fascinating and remarkably straightforward. Using just a cardboard box and cement, the end result is something you'll definitely appreciate and might even replicate at home for fun. First, find a suitable box and then fold it on one side, securing it with tape. To ensure she becomes more resilient, it's important to give her some recognition. Begin by using a thick piece of styrofoam, making precise measurements. Now proceed with making these specific cuts to form the legs of the stove. So that you don't waste time, I've already made all the work easier. You're gonna need to make a piece like this out of styrofoam, right? Let it be approximately this size, leaving about 4D of the box. According to the box, if you have another piece like this here, to make this fit, because here we will have the pressure cooker like this. And here you will also need a milk can like this one here. Then you just make a cut here for this other piece, also made of styrofoam, that this other piece will stay here like this. This way here. All right. This other piece will be here. And this one will fit here. Let me put it here, you see. Alright, she's going to fit in here the way you're seeing here. Right? And so it should stay when putting the concrete in the cardboard box. Then, when you remove the styrofoam, the fire, it will stay in this lower part. It will heat the part under the pan, and the smoke will come out here. And come out through the chimney, right? I'm putting it here because I have to take this measurement from the pot cut. As you can see, put it here, right? With a child, this one is all okay. Remove the styrofoam. Now I'm going to make the mark. She was going to remain here, correct? I placed 4 measures of sand for the same measure of cement, 4 for 1. Alright, the dough is finished. Now let's put it in the cardboard form. I'm going to secure this nail here so the double doesn't rise. Okay? Ready. Observing it with this other one, I'll place it here prepared, and now I'll secure the nail as well. Otherwise he will ascend, right? I bring this part here and place it here, see where it ought to be. Now I'm going to position the segment where the pot will be a section of the people to be quite elevated. And this part here, which is the mouthpiece of the stove, okay, it's going to appear precisely like this. So I'm going to incorporate something concrete.
I'm going to take a hit. corn cake.
Now it's time to eat, isn't it? Come on,
It was really nice, wasn't it, personal me?
I hope this oven helps you in some way.
And let your like subscribe to the channel and share too.
Can you assist me? Stay blessed with God, dear friends.